Grandmother and her pet parrot Ozzy are on a fishing trip. Dear Ozzy, don't make noise now. Something big eats bits of bait.
I will not make noise.
Grandmother was pulling the rod with its thread and finally fished a word box. Ozzy twittered,
It is beautiful. Now let us play with it.
Wow, Grandmother, look at the cute fishy. He is in the water, looking at us.
Fishy, what are you doing here?
Well, let's play with the word box. It is full with words.
Grandmother opened the word box. Naming words, doing words, describing words came out from it. Here is a word, peacock. It is a naming word. What it does?
It dances.
So we use the doing word dance with it.
Great, Fishy. It is a good job. Now we have made a sentence with these words. A peacock dances. Let us use this naming word, owl. What it does?
It hoots.
This is another sentence. An owl hoots. We use full stops to end these sentences. These sentences are called statements.
Can we use the doing words first and then naming words?
Yes, we can do it when we frame questions. But there are some rules for it. 1. We use do, does, am, is, are to begin a question. 2. We use a question mark at the end of a question. 3. Sometimes we use question words such as when, what, etc. to frame a question. If we jumble the words without obeying the rules, it will not be a sentence.
Okay, now I know. Good Varun boy is not a statement, neither a question. Varun is a good boy is a statement. Is Varun a good boy is a question.
Very good, Ozzy.